everyone. Welcome to the first class of PCB design. Okay, so we will be working on we will knowing the PCB design and all sort of things. Give me 1 second. I am just opening the syllabus so that we can go through it. Okay, so give me a second. I'm just opening the syllabus. Okay, give me 1 second. I'm opening the syllabus. Give me 1 second. I'm opening the syllabus. Okay. 1 second opening the syllabus. Okay. Yeah. I'm available here now. Let's open the syllabus. Okay, so the things we will look around in the PCB design is first we will look into the fundamental of electricity as per the syllabus. It is fundamental of electronics, atomic structure, current, voltage, resistance, Ohm's law. Okay, and we will design a voltage divider circuit design. Okay, initially. Okay, like voltage divider circuit design, and we can make one small circuit also of a 78055 5-volt voltage regulator. Okay, then we will understand active components, diode, transistors, operational amplifiers, transistor based amplifier, all sort of thing. Then circuit analysis. This I think you guys know very well. Up till here, you guys know very well. These are the fundamental topics. Okay, so this will be taking, I guess, 20 days, 15 to 20 days. This should take. Actually, should take 1 month. But why to waste time on this majorly? So we will be looking around these things. Try to complete in 15-20 days. Okay. Then comes to the actual PCB design history. Okay. So we will get to know what is PCB design and how to work on those things. Rather manufacturing process, what is multi-layer PCB, what is power delivery network, what is RF design, DFT circuits, all sort of things we will come to know in this one. Okay. Now, to work on the PCB, first we will initially start with Eagle CAD. Okay, so Eagle CAD is one of the renowned tool in the market, so which is used for. So, and one more, there is a big tool from Cadence which is called Allegro or Arcad. Okay, Orcad or Allegro. This tool is also very big tool and it is used in the industry throughout. So first we'll start with Eagle. So to work in the Eagle today, we will not start any topic. First, we will get familiar to the things, then we will start the topic, okay, from next class. So first, the installation of the Eagle tool, right? So the first we need to get the installation of the Eagle tool. How to do the installation of the Eagle tool, okay? Give me 1 second. I am just doing it for you. Okay, just give me 1 second. Let me go below. Okay, now here I will look for the Eagle tool, okay? I guess the Eagle tool should be somewhere here. Give me 1 second. EAGLE, ELE, Eagle. Okay, so maker tool. Okay, Eagle library master. So the Eagle tool inside, I think it has been deleted from my end. I will upload it. I will upload that Eagle tool for you guys so that you guys can download it and you can use it in your system wherever you need it to work, go through it. Okay. Now, coming to the first part, okay, this is the installer part, okay. So from the installer part, we will upload the installer part, or you can also download the file. Let me tell you from where to download the file. Give me 1 second. Okay. GL. You can go to get into PC, into PC. Go to this website, get into PC, and right here, Eagle CAD. Okay. I will put this link on the website so that you can go through it. Eagle CAD. You need to, this is for Linux, this is for professional. This is for the guys who are going to use it. Okay. I think this is the older version, I guess. Okay, I need the newer version. Okay. Eagle CAD. 6 years ago, like, wait, I get into PC, I guess it was in software. Okay, so here we can go once. Let me check. I downloaded it from a good website. I guess it was Eagle here only. Yeah, this one. Got it. Give me 1 second. I will add it here. Okay, it is opening. So this is the tool where you can download it. Okay, so the file, when you click here to download, when you click this file to download here, it will start downloading. It will start downloading the file in your local system. Okay, it is downloading. Wait 1 second. I'm showing how to download it. Okay, so it will download now for me. Give me 1 second. It will download now. Click to proceed. When I click to proceed here, it should start downloading. Stage starting download. Okay. See, it has already started download Eagle CAD. Okay. So the Eagle CAD is already downloading here. Once it get downloaded, so we will able to install it in our system. To open the file, the password for that one is 123 only. Okay. I am just putting this tool in the group. Okay. Hello, Rajat. Hello, Rajat. Hello.
हेलो हेलो।
ये वाला ग्रुप लिंक कहाँ डालूं? ग्रुप में डाल दूं क्या?
नहीं, मेरे को भेज देना।
अच्छा, आपको भेजता मैं। ठीक है, ठीक।
स्क्रीन शेयर करो।
ये टूल वेबसाइट से है, ठीक है। मैं उसको अलग से फिर ड्राइव वगैरह पे डाउनलोड नहीं किया, ठीक है।
ठीक है, मेरे को शेयर कर देना, मैं मेरे को शेयर कर देना। ओके।
हाँ, कैंडिडेट मुझे डाउनलोड कर पाएंगे, सब कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन दिया हुआ है उस पे।
फाइन फाइन फाइन। ओके।
ओके, so once your tool is downloaded, you just need to extract the tool. Okay, just right click and it will extract. For that extraction, the password is 123. Again, I repeat, the password is 123. After it is getting extracted, just install, double click that setup file will be there. Just double click that one, it will start downloading. I guess it should be there for me only. Autodesk, right? Autodesk. I think I have deleted that file, I guess. Okay, no issue. The extract that one, setup will be there. It will install the Eagle on your system. Nothing to do, just install it simply. After the installation is done, you are ready to go. There will be a logo created on the screen. Eagle, EAGLE, like this kind of thing. Okay. Then I will click on this one. It will start downloading. Okay. It will start working with the tool. I think someone has some question. Let us ask this one. No, Eagle is a proprietary tool of Autodesk. Okay. It is not for basic use. It is the advanced level topic. It is advanced level. Open KiCad is open source. If you go here and type KiCad, CAD, KiCad. Okay. This is the KiCad. This is an open source tool. Okay. Eagle is not an open source tool. Eagle, you need to pay for Eagle. Okay. If for Eagle, you need to pay to the Autodesk, but this version is not required to for payment. You can download, you can use it. Okay. You can already use it. And the Allegro and Orchid, I will send when we will start that one. Uh, So Eagle is one of the tool. One of the more tool is called the KiCad one. Okay, this KiCad, this is a complete open source. Nothing required to do anything in this one. You can do layout and design in KiCad also. No issue. Okay, so KiCad also is very good tool, but Eagle and Allegro and Orchid is widely used in the industry. When you go for an industry, they will look for Eagle or Allegro and Orchid. They will not look for the KiCad. Okay, so better use the one which is being widely used. Okay, after this one is done, click on the installation done, all sort of thing done. Click on the Eagle tool. Okay. When you click on the Eagle tool, you will get an environment. Okay, this sign in doesn't required. You can just close this sign in. You don't need that sign in to be done. Okay, because I don't need the sign in to be done. Okay, give me 1 second. I don't want the sign in to be done. So this is the Eagle environment. Okay. So this is the first environment where you can see libraries, number of libraries, what are the tons of library, managed libraries, Eagle PCBs, and sort of things. Then design blocks, any examples are there or not, see available here. Then design blocks, other, then script. Many things can be done. We will look around each of the options in upcoming classes. Okay. So now continuing to the things, you will first see in the Eagle option, file, view, option, window, and help. Okay, basic thing. So if I click on file, our first and foremost thing is to go to new. New, you will see option E project, schematic, board, library, design block, whatever thing we want to create, we can do it here. Okay. If I click on project here, okay, sorry. Okay. I have to click on file. I will go and click on new schematic. I want to first create schematic. Okay, schematic. I will click here. Once I click the schematic here, this environment will open for me completely. Okay. In this is a schematic environment where we can use to design the schematics. What are the things available here? The toolbar, then some shortcut commands, then the things, this part is your main use. Okay, this is the editing option, shortcuts available, flip, move, select, rotate, copy, paste, delete, set, change. These all things we need to take. This is the browser where you can browse the tools, parts, and all sort of things. There are many parts available here. Then these are the different nets. See how many nets are available layer wise. See, these are the layers. So the number of layers you can see. Okay. So layer settings, you can go here and work around. So this is the overall environment of the schematic. We will understand each of the topics later when we go move forward. Okay. So starting from the basic, okay, in our topic, there was an option called voltage divider circuit. Okay, so what is a voltage divider circuit? Let me tell you very small thing. Okay, in Paint, I will go here. Give me 1 second. Okay, so we will be working, we will be looking into a voltage divider circuit. First, we will make one small voltage divider circuit to get around the things. Okay. So what is a voltage divider? Simple. Suppose voltage divider is nothing but it passed through a two transistors in a series combination, one connected to a ground and one end see two resistors, both resistors, one point is shorted. Okay, it is a series connection. Then one end of the resistor will be connected to VDD, one will be connected to the ground, and from there the voltage will be checked. Okay. So now, how the voltage divider circuit looks. This is VDD, right? VDD. Okay. Then comes to here. This is called, this is the R1, suppose. Okay. Okay. This is R1. Then comes to be here. 1 second. This is R2. R2. And from here onwards, we take out the output, which is the V out. Okay. Now, what is the formula to calculate it? So this is equal, so V out is equals to V out is equals to VDD or the B in. Okay, it is also called as B in or VDD. We have written VDD, so we'll put here VDD. Okay, VDD. Okay, so VDD it will be. Then compared with the VDD, then the below register, because we are checking around this one. So R2. R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Okay, total resistance plus R2. Okay. Now, if we calculate, so we will get the voltage across this one. Okay. Now, let me tell you once how to do that one. R1, R2 available here. Okay. So give me 1 second. Let me get the 1 second. Give me 1 second. Okay. One more tool we need is that is also called NI Multisim. Okay. NI Multisim is also required because to simulate the circuits. Okay. Multisim. I guess Multisim is available online also. Multisim. Proteus is also one of the software you can use there, but Multisim is much more better than Proteus in my point of view. Okay. In my point of view, it is much more easy to use. Okay. So that's the reason we try to use, excuse me, uh, Multisim. Okay. I guess 1 second. What is this one? Multisim. Okay. NI Multisim here. Okay. So we can get this one. NI circuit design suit 14.2 and circuit design 14.3. We will take this one. Okay. We will get this one. And we will try to get this guy. Okay. We'll try to download this one. Hey, 1 second. Let me just download. If you just turn on this one. Okay. This guy. Resume. Let me resume it. See, already it will be downloaded. Okay. Click here to proceed. So multisim is very much required. The reason for I will give the multisim and both. So multisim will help us to simulate the circuit, and Eagle we will use to draw the layouts. Okay, draw the layout and by designing the circuit. Okay, like this we will do it. We will follow this process. It is getting downloaded. I think it says 9 hour. How man? 1 second. Let it get downloaded once. How it can say 9 hour, 8 hour sort of things. It's very bad. Multisim is for simulating the circuit. Suppose we want to check the voltage across this one. So big circuit. So for this small one, it is fine. But when you are going for a big circuit, then how you are going to get that value? We need something to simulate, na? Otherwise, how you are going to get that one? That's very difficult on that case. Okay, I guess multisim download, I guess. Multisim download, I think many options will be available for downloading the multisim. Okay. Student edition 14.2, I guess. One second. Where is this multisim download? Okay. No, not yet downloaded. I guess now. How this can be? It is not even possible. Okay, let me check if they get into PC. Into PC. Okay, I will check here multisim. LTISIM. NI multisim multiboard electronic free download. So actually multisim has also all these things inside this one. Okay, multisim has also the PCB design inside this one, but Eagle is much more beneficial to use actually. That is the reason why we use Eagle, because Eagle is robust. Actually, robust is Allegro and ORCAD. So we will be first doing the simulation here. Give me 1 second. 58 minutes, 56. I will just pause it so that it gets faster. Okay, till that time, I guess I should use something different to check all this multisim online only. I will use multisim online for now only. Okay, so I will be using 1 second sign up for free. I will do here. I will just go here to do sign up for free. Name. Okay, 1 second. I will just do that one. 1 second. Let me just put the email ID there. I guess I should put it here. I'm just putting the password. Okay, that's the reason I. Okay, sign up. Okay, continue. I will do. I will terms and conditions. Eh, bad gateway. How it can say authenticator error. Circuits. Public circuits. 1 second. Let me log in once here. Okay. Okay, I guess I think something issue is there. Seems to be there in this one. I think something issue is there. I think some issue seems to be there in this one. Downloading circuit. 1 second. Let me reshare the screen again. Okay. Hi, sir. I need to learn PCB design full. How can I join this, sir? Uh, you can join. You can contact Rajat. He will guide you to how to join. Okay. Contact VLSI for all in this one. Rajat, you can contact with him. You can provide your contact details so that he can contact and join the PCB design course. Okay. He will add you. He will add you to the group and set the contact details. Okay. So I guess the screen is shared now. Okay. So I think actually I need open an editor. For this all things we need to you need to contact Rajat. Okay. For paid or house, sir, this all things you have to contact Rajat for this one. Okay. So he will help you out in all those sort of things. He is the main person to okay to do this one. Okay. So let me do one thing. Let me delete it. Let me okay. See. here we have these things available. Okay. Okay. So what we can do here is we can just rotate it, rotate R. Okay. And we will try to put this guy at this level somehow. Okay. And I will delete it for now. And then I will try to draw the wire around this one. So I'm just using a open source one. I'm not into the things to draw the other things. Okay. I'm just only designing the things. Okay. Just to show you all, because the multisim is not yet downloaded for me. Once it get downloaded, it's very easy to use. Okay. I guess this one, rotate. Now it should be fine. Okay. Okay, I need to actually check this one. This tool is different. So give 4 or 5 minutes, it will get downloaded. Okay. Till that time, we can go to the Eagle and look around that voltage divider. Okay, sorry, by the volt here. Now, suppose our VDD is 5 volt. Is equal to 5 volts. Okay. This is ground, which is 0. Okay. R1 seems to be suppose 5 ohm. Okay. R2 CPU is supposed to be 10 ohm. Okay. So now total, if we put this value as VDD is equal to 5 volt, okay, multiply R2 is equal to 10 ohm, then R1 plus R2, R1 plus R2, 5, 10 plus 5 ohm is equal to 15 ohm. Okay. Now what should be our value? Okay. Take calculator and calculate it. First, 5 into 10, 50, we will do 50. So 50 divided by 15, which is equal to be 3.33 volts. Okay. So it will be actually 3.33 volts at this point. Okay. So to verify this one, what we can do, once it get downloaded, please wait 2 minutes, it will get downloaded now. Okay. Wait 2 minutes. Okay. It's getting downloaded. 1 minute. It will get downloaded now only. Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. I think 100 MB is only left to download. Once it get download, we will able to quickly be able to start the multi-sim things. Okay. Because these setups are need to be done prior to start the actual topics. Okay. 1-2 minutes are left to download. It's downloading. Okay. I think. Oh, we can close these things. We don't need them. Okay. So we can free it. We just concentrate on this one. Okay. So more 100 MB to be downloaded. More 100 MB to be downloaded here. Okay. It's downloading. Please install Eagle as well as Multisim in your system. It will help us to understand the schematic as well as to simulate it. Okay. Because when you are a PCB designer, we have to simulate it sometimes also. Okay. So please be aware of that one. I think more 25 to 30 MB are left. Okay. So it has been downloaded. You can go click here in this one. Okay, now after clicking on this one, it will open and it will ask for password. We'll put 123 and enter. So it got downloaded. Okay. Now we have to just double click this one. It is actually starting the things inside this one. Okay. It's happening in the background. Now we will just install it simply. Install.exe file. Okay. Install.exe file we will put and install. I will accept the license. Next. First startup. Next. It is actually down installing the whole thing inside. Okay. It is actually it will install all these things inside this one. Okay. It is actually doing the things. Okay. It is installing the things. Let it get installed. So, okay. So crack is there. How to do this one? Use activator to generate license and serial. Okay. First, let's get installed. Okay. Oh, okay. This need to be open first. Wait 1 second. Let me first extract it in the folder. From there, we will run this one. It is easy to use. Okay, otherwise it will give this kind of error only every time. First extract it outside. Okay, then perform this task. Okay, close it completely. No, actually the work of PCB is to just to follow the circuits to design the PCB. Okay, but here to control the basics, to understand the basics, we have to do some small simulations. Nothing else. Okay, that is the reason we are actually why doing into this one. Otherwise, it is not necessary to do the simulations and sort of things. Okay. So our folder is ready here. We can go inside this one. You can install it. Okay. We'll able to install this one. Now it should install. Now it should install. Okay. Now it is installing inside this one. Wait 2-3 minutes. It will get installed now only. It is not necessary, but if you know the simulations, you will able to debug the circuits or understand the circuit more, what actually it is happening. 1 second, it is installing. Okay. So let it get installed. Installing. Wait. One minute more, it should get installed. It's installing. Okay. If I click on this one, it should open the multisim for me now. Okay. See, multisim power pro edition, it has been activated. Okay. So now I am into this environment. So we can do simulation and sort of things here. How to do that one? Let me tell you. Okay. Okay. So what I will do, what we took the connection as 5 ohm and 10 ohm. Okay. So we will go here and we will look for a register. Okay. So like any register you can take, we can edit it later. Okay. We will take one register here. What happened? One I will take here. Okay. 1 kilo ohm. Okay. So what I can take here is I will take here as basics and register. Okay. I will take this guy, not the one in the top. Okay. I will delete this one. I will take this register here. Okay. And I will rotate it. Oh, okay. I will rotate it now. Rotate clockwise. Okay. And what I will make it? Uh, 5 ohm. Only 5 ohm. Again, I will copy this one, Control C and Control V, and I will paste it here. Okay. I will take both of them below. I will make it to 10 ohm. Only simple 10 ohm. How the configuration was 5 ohm top, 10 ohm bottom. Okay. And then we will just draw the lines from here. Now, what we will do, we will page again Control W to open this directory. We need sources, right? For the sources, what we will do, we will take ground from here. Okay. And then Control W. Okay. So we will take DC power or VDD. Okay. So VCC or VDD, anything, it's fine. Okay. We will take here this one, and to look around it, we will take this one. Okay. Then 5 volt, it is suppose 5 volt, I guess we took right 5 volt here. And we will put a multimeter at this point. So this guy is our multimeter. Okay. So we will take it like this. We will add it here. We will again take it. We will add it here. Okay. Now we will click on simulation. Once we click on simulation, we should get 3.3 volt here. See, we are getting 3.3 volt means our calculation is perfect to get. So 3.3 volt here. Okay. Now suppose we change this value. Okay, I guess. Uh, Control Z. I change this value, I guess. Okay, 5 volt. I will make it to 10 volt now. Okay, 10 volt I will make it. So 10 volt, this one I will make 15 ohm, this one I will make as 100 ohm now. Okay, 100 ohm I will make it. So into 100 divided by 100 plus 15. Okay, so after what happens, 100 into 10, 1000 it becomes. Okay, and it has become 115. Now take the calculator here. Now divide 1000 divided by 115. It should seems to be 8.69. The value should come 8.69 voltage. Okay. Now we will go to multisim. We will change this. Okay, sorry, stop the simulation. We will change this to 10 volts now. Okay, and this to 15 ohm. This guy to 100 ohm, 100 ohm, and enter. It should come here the same value, 8.696. See, 8.69 volt. So the same voltage coming here. Okay. So this is how we try to check the 666 milliampere. So this is the voltage we are getting, 8.696 voltage. Okay. So this is how we test the circuit before going. Now, after this, suppose circuit is made. Okay. Now what I will do? I will go to here first. First, I will go to here. I will go to now in the my circuit is ready. I will go to the you have used Arduino boards, you have seen multiple modules. Suppose a register divider is a module, example wise, okay, where we will use it in with Arduino board. Okay, so what we will do, we'll go to this option, add part. Okay, add part. We'll go to add part here. We'll click this one. It will open a pop-up like this. Okay, we will type here registers. So FTORS registers. Okay, we will have registers here. Okay, no, not this one. Register. Okay, we will have a register here. See, this is, I guess, the registers. Okay, here are Europe. Though we need this one, the bigger one we will use. Okay, because it is easy to use everywhere. Okay, so we will put one here. We will put one here. Okay. Now what we will do? We will again go to this one and we will use terminal. INAL terminal. Okay. Or we can use suppose jumper. MPER. You have seen those black jumpers, small jumpers you have seen. These small kinds of jumpers, we will use them. Okay. We will use them simply. So what we will do here is we will put it like this here. Okay. And what we will do, we will first connect them. Okay. We will go to this one. This is a net connection to draw. Click this one. Now draw. Net. One net done. Now here we need voltages. Okay. We need a voltage here. Voltage here done here. Okay. We will add this one. Oh, sorry. We will add it here. Oh, okay. Control Z. What I will do, I will just flip it or rotate it. Better to rotate it like this. Okay. I will come here. I will add this one here and add this one here. Suppose this is our V in, this is our ground. This is supposed to be our ground. This is our V in, I guess. Okay. I'm expecting this one. Okay. Okay. So just I'm expecting this one. This is to be VDD. This is to be ground, example wise. Okay. 1 second. Where is the property of this one? And the property here. Okay. R1, suppose I am putting here as per this one as 15 ohm and R2 as 100. R1 15. Okay, so 15 ohm it became. Now I will come here, I will go to property again. R2 as 100 ohm. Okay, enter. See, now I came here. Now again I will go here. I will again right click this point where it's one. Okay. Where its plus symbol went outside. Where its plus symbol went outside actually. I don't know why. I can't see it properly. Properties. Okay, it's written as JP1. Okay, whatsoever, it doesn't matter. And we will take this kind of again, one more. Okay. Or we will do add part and simple that one only. We will take one more and we will put here because this will help us to take the output from here. The ground one will go here, and the output will go from here. Done. our this circuit is done. It is simulated and it is done. Now what we will do here is we will simply click on this one, schematic to board switch, and yes, we are now available in this one. Okay. Now what we will do, we will try to drag these blocks. Sorry, we will try to drag this block from here to here. Okay, plus symbol we will put here. We will put here this one. We will put here this one again as a register divider block. Okay, we will put here nearby. Then what we will do, okay, one we will take from here, one we will take here. Okay, so this is the input, this is the output. Now we will take the registers to connect between them. Okay, we will take the register from here, one, and one I will take from here. Okay, and one I will take from here. And I will add it, both of them I will add here simply. Okay, one more thing what I will do, I will take this R2100 and this R115. Okay, I will put here simply, and which will make us easy also to communicate. Likewise, wait, Control Z. Now, if you see the connections from at this end to this end, you will see the connections are not much complicated. Okay, so how the connections are coming, one connection is going here, one connection is going here, one connection from here it is going. Okay, okay, we can adjust this one later. What we will do here is we will now try drawing it. Okay, we will do auto routing also we can do, but we will try to draw it manually. Okay, we will take 40 and we will start drawing it like this. Okay, okay, we can take for this one as 32. It's too big. We will draw it like this. Okay, then what we will do here is we will draw here one terminal. Okay, we will draw here one terminal, and from here to here I will draw it up till here. Simple. Now from here to here I will draw one, but if you see here, it is difficult to connect this end because it is not actually properly done. So one more technique what we can do to make it simplify, what we will do, we will simply rotate it, and this one also we will rotate. Oh, okay, we will rotate them only. Okay, for now, again I will rotate this block completely. Now I will move it, try to move it. I will try to move it like this. Okay, I will try to move them from here to here. Okay, and I will just put it here and put this guy here. A simple and easy process to connect them properly. Okay, so that it will squeeze the distance of this one more. A little bit more distance will be come out of this one. Okay, just put them in the top of this one. You can just drag it more drag it here, more drag it here. Okay, now we have to look the test cases. Okay, first we will draw it like this here. Okay, then what we will do, we will take this one from here. Okay, okay, we will, so what we will do, we will take some more thinner metals, not this much higher. Okay, and from here onwards I will come and I will look into it. And if you see, it requires, okay, So what I can do here is I can rotate this guy. I can rotate it. It will be more easier to use now. I have to simplify it somehow. Connected here, done. Now, if I take this one, this cross will be difficult for us. Okay, this cross will be difficult for us at this moment. So what we can do here is we can take this guy from here. First, we will do this one. We will do it with this one first. And let me rotate this guy once and try look into it. Okay, hope this should go easy for us at some point. Okay, okay, it got connected from here to here. Okay, done here. Now there is no option to connect it like this. Either go for second layer, or what I will do, I will take it like this and I will connect it from here to here. Simply done. I will do it like this here. Okay. And then what I will do here is I will simply drag it like this to make them possible. See, connections all done from here to here. It got squeezed completely so that it looks very, very perfect. And then what I will do, okay, no, we cannot draw it on the top of this one. So what I will do here is, any other way to do this one? No, no other way. Leave it. Now what I will do, I will just drag this one up till here because I have to short the board from here to here. What I will do, I will take this one up till this end. Okay, I will take this one up till this end. Done here. This guy I will take up till this end because no, it's fine. Here also I will take it up till this end. Okay, okay. See, it is coming outside. We cannot keep it like this. It's bad to do. Okay, so what I will do here like this, I will take it also up till here like this, and I will just put it like this here. Okay, so there will be no issue to do it. Now, if you see from here, it will come the input part. So from here, the input will go, from here, the output will go. Okay. So this is how we can create. See, this is now this PCB can be sent to fabrication. It will get fabricated and you can use it as a voltage divider. Whatever register you put, suppose we took example of this one, we will put any register and it will give the output to that part. Okay. So this is how we can create the whole thing. So this is a small example for today. Okay. This is how we are going to do this one. Up till here now, any questions if you guys have, please ask me, so that we can get through all this. Okay, any questions, guys? Hello, hello, any questions, any problem, any questions to the further progression of the class? You can ask me. Hello, you can type there. You might be not be able to open the mic. You can type in the chat box. You can type, guys, in the chat box. Okay, okay, okay. Was it interesting today's class? Please type in the chat box. Okay, everyone. Okay, thanks, Raman. Thanks. Okay, then we can end the session and we'll meet again in the next class to follow up the progress. Okay. Yeah. Hi, Rajat. Hello. Yeah. Any class joining related all sort of thing, contact Rajat, VLSI for all private limited. He will guide you guys. Okay. He will able to guide you. He will able to guide you for joining of the class. Okay. Okay, Raja.
ठीक ठीक